Fire safety is critical in large open spaces like warehouses and manufacturing facilities. However, traditional fire detection systems can face some serious challenges.
HSSD, or aspirating systems, are incredibly sensitive. And for this reason, they're favoured by many insurance companies and building operators. However, they have their drawbacks too. These include a build-up of dust can block up the holes and cause faults. And when you've got a fault, you've potentially got hundreds of metres of pipework up at a high level that you need to fault find. And then finally, testing is normally done using a low-level test point. But that one point needs to represent the entire length of pipe back to the detector. Alternatively, if you want to test each hole, you're back to hiring in a scissor lift.
Beam detection systems offer an alternative. However, traditionally, they have had drawbacks too. Things like testing using very long poles, or the hassle and extra cost factor of hiring in scissor lifts. Plus, false alerts can still happen with the likes of birds, steam, building movements knocking out alignment.
OSID smoke detectors paired with Remotest changes the game. Firstly, the technology uses two beams to detect smoke, and it won't get triggered by dust or steam, and it automatically adapts to building movement. Secondly, you no longer need to track down faults across hundreds of metres of pipework that's far out of reach. And best of all, you can test everything from the fire alarm panel. So no more poles and scissor lifts.
The fixed fire methodology of consult, create, complete will find the perfect application for your requirements. So Remotest can save you time, money, and reduce risk. That's safety at the highest level.